Watford Borough Council and Three Rivers District Council are currently working together to provide 4 shared services. We're working with Capita currently to deliver a shared income management system across both councils.
The rationale behind that has been savings, resilience and improvement in service.
We would make savings in terms of maintenance, technical maintenance, so we would have a reduced number of upgrades across both authorities. Because overall there's a greater throughput in terms of the number of transactions, we then qualify for reduced rates in relation to card transactions themselves. Implementing one shared system across 2 authorities means that there's a reduced number of skill sets that people need to learn.
Hello, Three Rivers District Council, Catherine speaking. How can I help?
One of our aims is to provide best-in-class services that we may be able to get other authorities to join us at a later stage.
One of the main reasons that we chose Capita as a vendor was because of their track record in relation to managed services, a record of that over the last 10 years.
We were well aware of Capita's position in the market.
As they helped us successfully implement the revenues and benefits shared service system.
And certainly in choosing Capita, we took references from other sites to ensure that the system would do what we required it to do. We had modern requirements of our software, modern payment methods we desperately needed to update.
We're looking, as both authorities, to increase the number of payments and the types of payments that our more frontline staff are taking, so for example the customer service centre. So the system itself supports that in terms of its flexibility, as well as being obviously PCI compliant and offering a secure solution.
We were conscious of the fact that we needed to have a secure system. One of the reasons for asking Capita to host part of this income management system was in fact to pass some of that risk over to the supplier rather than take some of those risks ourselves.
One of the other advantages of the Capita solution is allowing each authority to retain its own identity.
In bringing any shared service together, I think it has to be acknowledged one can't harmonise everything. The 2 authorities do have different requirements.
So each authority is able to work in the way it needs to work, but using one shared system.
One of the important things is the flexibility that the systems bring us, and our confidence that as technology moves on, as customer requirements and expectations change, that the systems will be adaptable to meet those requirements. And it's very, very important one has a partnership with the software supplier for the very reason that expectations of the public are improving, legislation changes. We need to be confident that we can meet those expectations, that the software will comply with the changes that we know are likely to be forced upon us. And we have to have every degree of confidence in our supplier that will be the case.
Overall, in terms of implementation, the implementation at the moment is going really well with Capita.
So within the next 6 months we will have implemented the system and we hope that will bring the improvements that we're very keen to provide.